Imagine you wake up one morning, you look outside and you find that every garden in your neighborhood has the same plant. You walk a little further, the roadside, the park, the forest, you see the same plant again and again. No diversity, just one species everywhere. At first you might say, wow, it is so green. But soon the ecosystem services begin to collapse. The food system, the clean air, the climate, all become fragile. This is not science fiction. It is what happens when biodiversity loss goes unnoticed. And this is where AI can help. Over the past few years, multimodal foundation models have made significant progress. They can describe images, answer questions, even reason step by step. Naturally, we might expect them to excel at downstream tasks. However, in our research, we found something surprising. Now we are working through a forest. You take a photo of a plant and you ask these AI models, what species is this? They give you an answer with great confidence, but for many cases the answer given may not be right. Why? Not because the AI is weak, but because nature doesn't look like the internet. In ecology, only a few plants are common, and many others are rarely observed at all. Plants also change with season and climate. As a result, the same species can look entirely different across the year. We evaluated several multimodal foundation models on plant species classification, and the pattern was clear. They consistently misclassify plant species, even with chain-of-thought reasoning. So we asked the different questions. What if the right solution isn't bigger, but more specific? And that led us to TaxoNet. TaxoNet is a plant taxonomy CNN model. No language, no multimodal reasoning. Instead, it learns the taxonomy structure of species to recognize plants better. The takeaway is simple but very important. Large general-purpose AI models are not always better. In many cases, carefully designed domain-specific models can be more reliable, only if they respect how nature actually works. Thank you.